Hey girl with the big foot. Hey, listen what me said. No. Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot. Hey, go up on the bed. Oh. Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet. Yeah. Me know say you see it. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot. Yeah. Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
What's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel and the series Over There Before Fame, where today we'll be covering Kyng Tavi, and this series will be done a little bit different from the previous two I did with Prince Pine and Trabas. If you have not checked those two out as yet, by the way, please go and check them out now. In this series we'll be covering top 8 things that most people does not know about Kyng Tavi. Now before I get started, I just want to say special thanks to all my viewers and subscribers. My subscribers count has been growing pretty fast since of late, so special thanks to you guys for that. And for all my first time viewers, your subscription will also be well appreciated, so please subscribe. Now let's jump right into this countdown. Number 1. Now I'm sure that a lot of you guys did not know that Kyng Tavi's real name is actually Tavon Hamilton. Some of you might know, but I'm almost sure that the majority of you guys won't know, because I didn't until I started to do my research so I can put this video together. So yes, Kyng Tavi's real name is Tavon Hamilton, and that's number 1. Now number 2, I'm sure that a lot of you guys know and love the Kyng Tavi Retarded Girlfriend series.
Babe, why you look, oh my god.
But what most of you don't know is that the retarded girlfriend in these series is actually a real character and was a part of Kyng Tavi's life. Kyng Tavi has an ex-girlfriend that actually used to act just as he portrays the retarded girlfriend character to be in his videos, and that is where he got the idea from. Number 3. Now this Retarded Girlfriend series got Kyng Tavi featured on Baller Alert. What is Baller Alert? I'm sure a lot of you guys are asking yourselves right now. Well, this is a popular blog and social media page that feature people and content that are considered a big deal. They have a huge social media following on Instagram and Facebook, and also their blog website. So Kyng Tavi audience grew significantly from this feature they gave him. Number 4. Kyng Tavi, uneducated dad, believe it or not, is also a real character.
Wow, my son. Hear me, I say, do me a favor. Tell me how much megapixel in that phone, yeah.
Kyng Tavi admitted this in an interview and said his father is pretty much like what he portrays him to be in his skits. So yeah, 2 characters are real, they're real. Number 5. Now unlike Prince Pine and Tuwani, who often brag about their past high school, which is Kingston College, KC, Kyng Tavi High School remained anonymous because he actually attended a private high school called Daycare Manly High. Now I'm not sure if that's how it's pronounced, so if you guys go and do your own research and find out the correct pronunciation of it, please don't kill me. But it's a Kingston based private high school and it's not popular, which is the reason why most people didn't know about it, including myself. Now for number 6, I'm going to need to jog you guys' memory for a little bit. Do you guys remember that video Kyng Tavi did with a goat titled My Strange Addiction?
Potential to be a goat. My mother always was the person to tell me that I'm a talented youth.
Well, if you do, did you know that the JSPCA, Jamaica Society for Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, wanted Kyng Tavi arrested immediately after they were aware of this video? Well, they actually did. And the CEO, Pamela Lawson, wanted Kyng Tavi checked out by a psychiatrist. She also thought he was crazy for doing such a video.
Nobody wanted to be friends with that guy that everything seemed buck.
Now number 7, and this came as a shocker to me, but in 2016, Kyng Tavi was titled by the Teenage Observer as the worst social media personnel of the year. Now this research was conducted by the Teenage Observer and contains vote of teenagers across Jamaica. This has nothing to do with my channel, so please don't go bashing me in the comment section, alright? I'm just presenting to you guys what I found from my research, okay? Now with that being said, on to number 8. A lot of people did not know that Kyng Tavi almost quit vlogging after a breakup with one of his ex-girlfriends. I'm not sure if it was a retarded one, but Kyng Tavi said he was just going through a phase and didn't really know how to deal with it, and only stopped vlogging for a mere 3 days. I'm not sure if that should be classified as almost quitting, but yeah.
I was just going through a phase at the time, and such like that, and I didn't know how to deal with it. No.
Kyng Tavi started making skits in 2013 and admitted that Alkaline is his favorite dancehall artist. Now, I wasn't able to get a lot of information for this video, so that's why it's so short and it's done differently. The reason being, I'm trying to do Before They Were Famous and Vibes Cartel and Alkaline. So those two videos are taking up a lot of my time. So just bear with me. I have those two videos coming out soon, so look out for those. And before you guys go, please be sure to like, comment, and share. Peace.
That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Kyng Tavi. Peace.